Hello, welcome back to Get Fit by 50. I'm Mark Lee, and this is my week 18 Get Fit by 50 weight loss results video. And if this is your first time watching Get Fit by 50, then please hit like on this video and also click that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. And please follow me on all the social media, links in the description down below. You should also binge watch all the previous episodes to get caught up. All right, let's see what I did. Last week, I lost 2.6 pounds for a total of 52.2 pounds in 17 weeks. I'm officially over the hill as of last week, over 50 pounds lost in just 1/3 of my year-long goal. So, go me. Let's see what I did on week 18. Wednesday, I did 8,888 steps. And here we go again, off to a bad start with another cookout and drinking day at the good old Hooterville. I grilled up some burgers and dogs for everyone, and I don't know, apparently that's gonna be the last cookout again until it cools off, or as Hoot says, hell freezes over, because it's too hot. But that's okay. It's probably good for me though, so whatever. I sucked in 2,866 calories last Wednesday. Remember, you can see everything that I eat each day in the MyFitnessPal online diary, and the link is in the description below. So Thursday, I weighed in at 290.8 pounds pre-poo. Going up already. I did 8,458 in steps and did 1,898 in calories. And Friday, I weighed in at 291.8 pounds pre-poo. Hitting the 2-day peak from Wednesday's binging. That's just what happens every time. So I did 7,503 in steps and ate 1,149 in calories. And on to Saturday. I weighed in at 200 pounds pre-poo. Down some, that's okay. I did 8,493 in steps and ate 1,906 in calories. On Sunday, I weighed in at 290.6 pounds pre-poo. Back up just a smidge. I did 7,862 in steps and ate 1,540 in calories. And on to Monday, I weighed in at 289 pounds pre-poo. That's still above last week's Wednesday cutoff of 288.4 pounds. So I got 2 more days to go to stay below or lose some weight this week. So I did 8,134 in steps and ate 1,358 in calories. And Tuesday, I weighed in at 286.8 pounds pre-poo. Okay, so now we're in a negative. I got 1 more day. That's and I did 8,997 in steps and ate 1,174 in calories. And we ended the week on Wednesday morning, weighing in at 286.4 pounds pre-poo. Not a record breaker, but I'm down. So here's my stats for week 18. You can pause the video to look them over. I did steps totaling 58,335, and I consumed 11,891 in calories. So my total weight loss during week 18 was DEUCE pounds for a total of 54.2 pounds in 18 weeks. 60 pounds, it's not too far away. It's coming up. So if you don't know what DEUCE means, it's 2. So that's pretty obvious. I hope you know it. But like in cards, you can have a pair of deuces. Or a tie game in tennis is called a deuce, where you have to win by 2. Or you can say, I got to go drop a deuce, which is a number 2. Or what the deuce, which is one of Stewie from Family Guy's favorite lines. So, and the peace sign can also be referred to as throwing up the deuces. And in my thumbnail image this week, I put on a Gene Simmons from Kiss face to reference a song that they have called Deuce. So there's your Deuce education. Anyway, I will get fit by 50 and lose 100 plus pounds. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Be safe out there. Hit that subscribe button. And please remember to use your damn turn signals, people. Thanks for watching Get Fit by 50. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on the social links listed in the description below. And why don't you go ahead and watch another one of our videos.